Hello everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I'm going to be doing a tour of my room. So, I finally finished kind of redoing my room for the rest of the time that I'm here, because I've been spending a lot of time at home. I decided I wanted to redo my childhood bedroom in this Lolita theme. I've also gotten really into cottage decor lately. So without further ado, let me show you around. Here we go, let's enter. My little sister made that for me. And here is my room. So, let's see, where do we start? Here's just a general sweep of what it looks like when you come in at first. This is what I'm one of the happiest things. So I have a little tea station now. I kind of left it the way that it usually is, honestly. I did pick up a little bit. There's all my glasses, a doll. I loved putting up these roses and redoing that wall, so I used double-sided tape and wrapping paper for that. Now I have a cute place for selfies. Now I need to actually get a cute phone pic, although it's too bad that I'm pretty backlit from here, because this would be a very cute keyboard shot frame, I think. There we go. Here's some of my little knickknacks that I have. My radio. I have so many art things, I realized when I was cleaning up my room. Here's my bookshelf. There's all my art supplies, scrap fabric. I need to start busting through that. Like, I want to make more cosplays or dresses and stuff, and before I can spend more money on stuff, I need to actually use up what I have. There we go. This is my workspace that I made. There's my little bullet journal. I've been keeping track of fitness stuff. I have this really cute rainbow calendar. Some more butterflies. A beautiful poster I got from an artist named, well, whose brand is Aloha Mora at the last convention I went to. I really like the art style of that, so please go check out her stuff. I believe she has an Etsy. Here's my whiteboard. I can write to-dos and stuff. Last I used it was for Princess Day with my siblings, which was really fun. I've kind of fallen off the wagon again of doing that. Here we go. That's my tripod that I used to film the intro. I also have some, only two successful. Well, this plant baby needs help. This one's thriving. These are some dirt that I water. Got a grow light. More butterflies! Butterflies and flowers were kind of the theme here. I love this. I decorated my TV. This is what you can see from my bed. I actually need to get the internet set up so I can finish watching, catching up on My Hero. I finally caught up on Fruits Basket. There's always an internal battle of, do I want to be an elegant princess or weeb trash? No one has won so far. Alrighty, here's my cat. He's adorable, and I consider him a fixture in here. He spends his whole time in here. His name is Zane. He's cute. Oh, you plurp for the camera. You plurp for the camera. You see, I've made a fatal error. He is going to smack me now, as soon as I move on with this tour. I got one of these canopies for my room, which makes me so happy. Are you gonna meow the rest of the video? Oh, hi. Hi, you give them rubs? Oh, you cute cat. That is my wardrobe. Here's an older anime poster. I finally have an altar space set up that's like dedicated and not getting pushed around, which I had felt a little bad about. More butterflies. So my closet is full, very full of lots of clothes. So it's being held together there with that. I put a lot of my sentimental stuff up there. Sports, hobbies, all that goes up there. That is shoes, makeup, hair things, and some craft supplies go in there. So I hang my stuff up. Here's my mask. And yeah, my room isn't very big, But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really proud of it. It took a lot of hours for me to put this together. Be prepared to see lots of fun aesthetic pictures of things on my Instagram. Thank you everyone for watching. Please remember, why do I always try to do this with one hand? Please remember to comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena